traffic again. I think it's safe to say कि मुझे कम से कम 45 minutes तो लगते ही हैं one way 45 minutes. Hello guys, हम लोग आ चुके हैं फूड अपना पीता फ्रेश हम लोगों ने ऑर्डर कर दिया था और हम लोग यहाँ पे आ गए हैं. शनाया को शनाया really likes it. मैं सोचूं हम लोग कार में ही खा लेते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे नाइस एंड कोजी है और जितना बच गया देन वी कैन टेक इट होम. एंड हियर इन टेस्ला वी कैन हैव फूड, वी कैन we can also watch movies on Netflix, something if let's say we are getting bored. Basically इसके लिए we need Netflix subscription. We can also watch YouTube.
Can we watch YouTube?
Shanaya wants to watch YouTube.
We don't have
It's
the same
theater,
kind of taste in
you know.
movies, so
YouTube है actually. So YouTube में क्या देखेंगे? Friends.
oh shit.
लेकिन नहीं
Why?
चले
जो बोले
जाओ
सुने
पीछे. I was just kidding. Anyways यहाँ पे see if I like try to drive ये मुझे drive नहीं करने देगा because I have to exit
That's
to
right.
drive.
No way.
To exit to drive like that. जाओ बेटा पीछे.
Okay, bye.
Okay. So we are at Target right now और यहाँ पे काफ़ी सही सही चीज़ें मिल रही हैं कुछ तो. So ये है cleaning cloth microfiber, $5. Shana, this is really
That's actually $3. Wait, no.
Oh yeah, sorry. This is
That's
$3.
$3.
Yeah, you're right. This is $3. So
Why
not
would a
bad.
microfiber cloth be for $5?
And then this is good too. Like I really like this one.
Okay, Mom, which cloth do you want to get? There's some options.
I don't know if I want to get microfiber cloth.
We have 3 options.
No, but I really want this. This one I like. And then I'm thinking
This
this one.
looks like our dish soap brush. You know the one where we go like.
Yeah. And I think I want to get this for my laundry. इसमें laundry अच्छा लगेगा ना इस वाले में?
Oh yeah, with like all the laundry pellets. You just like.
और ये वाला है ना for laundry. ये वाला भी. This one. We can put the laundry detergent in this. So like these two. ये देखो ये भी कितने अच्छे हैं ये वाले jars. ये वाले. Oh, I see. There's a Lazy Susan for $5. And then this is for Valentine's Day. इसके अंदर रखना क्या है?
I don't know, maybe like a puppet.
Okay. This is also for kitchen. And this one is so cute.
Oh wow, Mama got the cookie cup.
Ceramic bakeware. This is for $5. Not bad, yaar. Yeah, this is cute. Look at these ramekins. These are cute. These are really cute.
Look at these.
And there's in this pink color. These ones. This is so pretty. Shanaya, which one do you like? Do you like the white one or you like the pink one?
I think the pink one is a bit more practical.
This one? Bullseye playground.
Look at the little kid.
And there's this. There's this. Oh, there's some neon light. Shanaya, look, this one is gonna say love.
Nice. Ooh,
Neon light.
kind
A
of
heart.
Oh wait, I would actually want that in like if we like move to like our forever home. I
Yeah.
would want that.
You could put neon light, right? This one in your room.
So what color is it?
That I don't. Oh wow, all the Valentine's Day stuff is here.
Actually,
That's cool.
Actually, this looks kind of
That's
cool.
cute.
This looks.
Oh, this is cute.
See, this looks so ugly.
This looks so ugly. Actually,
It's made out of
this one looks good.
How do you open it?
ना ये अच्छा लग रहा है ना ये वाला
Mama, how do you open this?
मुझे नहीं पता चला I think it's just for show.
Oh, it's wrapped. It's kind of misshapen. But this one.
Today is all about hearts. Yeah, you can see heart from every side. How much is it? Look at this. At Target. Stranger Things Season 1. Season 2.
Is this a limited edition? That's
I
my
don't
real
know.
question.
And Shanaya found Wings of Fire.
I'm gonna start reading.
The ceramic ones? Or do you like these ones?
I like the
Metallic ones.
They give more like the cozy feeling.
This one. Salt and pepper, tea, coffee. I'm getting confused. Like I like these ones also. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, look at this one. Shana, look. This one is so cute. Berry bowl. Oh, I like this. And then yes, cute. Napkins.
What I meant to do
Oh, this is nice rectangular tablecloth. Wow, that is so pretty. Candle charms. You can put it on a candle. Shania, look, this is a new concept that they've come up with. Candle charms.
Oh,
Candle charms. What is it? Candle charms.
said, "Oh, my heel hurts," and that was the first sign of this.
Also more recently described are the altered mental statuses, the foggy thinking. Does anybody here remember tropofloxacin? A couple, just a few, okay. So, intracellularly active antibiotics include quinolones, which we're going to talk more about, the tetracyclines, linezolid, trimethoprim sulfa, the pleuromutilin antibiotics, and the oxazolidinones, linezolid and tadazolid. So we're going to go through a number of these. So fluoroquinolones, workhorse antibiotics for many of us. They're topoisomerase inhibitors. They inhibit DNA gyrase and topo 1 and 4. The gyrase is more important for gram-negatives, and Dr. Tama covered that a little bit with you yesterday. It's topoisomerases for gram-positives. Resistance to quinolones is related to target site mutations, drug permeability mutations, and occurs spontaneously on therapy, right? So-called one-step mutation. These antibiotics are also susceptible to drug-modifying enzymes. Levofloxacin and moxifloxacin, and this is another one that I would put in your pile to go over the day before the test. So ciprofloxacin has poor strep coverage and a little bit of MSSA coverage, and it is, quote, the best fluoroquinolone for Pseudomonas and E. coli. But that said, in most of our institutions, the resistance rates to Cipro for Pseudomonas and E. coli are not inconsequential today. It has a little bit of anaerobic activity. Levofloxacin has more gram-positive activity. It's good against strep, has some methicillin-susceptible Staph aureus activity. And it's the best for Sphenotrophomonas among these choices, and has a little bit of anaerobic activity. That's a couple of testable points there. Moxifloxacin is good for strep and has good methicillin-susceptible Staph aureus activity. It's not effective against gram-positives and should not be used in UTI. That's a very testable point. And it's the best for anaerobes. So the PK of quinolones is very attractive as oral agents, right? They're highly bioavailable. Moxifloxacin is over 95% bioavailable. Levo, same. And Cipro is a little less, 70 to 8%, but very high levels with oral absorption. That said, there are a couple of interactions to know about that are very testable.
Bye, Sally. और जो कल मैंने राजमा बनाया था उसका आज पूरा चिपोटले बोल बना दिया. How is it, Shanaya?
Really good.
Good? Good. Oh, Shanaya's gift is
Oh,
here.
that
Yeah. Wanna open it? Right. We are here. Shanaya, kholo. Shanaya, kholo beta.
So let's start with this. Oh, they have an Instagram.
Ooh. First leather bag.
It smells like a bag.
Smells like a bag. Of course it smells smell like a bag.
Ooh, it's cute.
There's a nice.
And since we bought this specific design, then we have a little special gift.
Special gift that
We have
comes
a
with it.
special free gift. It's a wallet.
It's wallet. Oh, that's nice.
Well, you don't need a wallet since you have a credit card, right?
I'm the one who needs the wallet.
Oh. But you have a credit card.
Yeah, but sometimes I need to put stuff in the wallet.
Okay, then can I have your wallet? So that
I don't have a wallet. That's why I thought that this would be good because
Okay.
it's
And it matches your scrubs.
well, actually we both can use. It's fine. हम लोग यहाँ पे पार्क में आ गए.
और 24 लेसन्स होती है फॉर्मेटेड जो बीच में होती है जिससे आप आपके ट्रेनिंग नीड्स प्रोग्रेस ट्रैक कर सकती है और पोस्ट दैट जो कोर्स हमने डिस्कस किया है जो लेवल हमने डिस्कस की है उसके सारे डिटेल्स आपके डैशबोर्ड पे सेशन होने के बाद आ जाएंगे. So एक बार आप अच्छे से वो भी देख सकती कि be able to see the curriculum, क्या क्या है, क्या क्या चीजें included है.
Alright, so today is Shanaya's outfit check. और ये कल वाला बैग है जो आया था ना, और बूट्स भी मैच कर रहे हैं. वाओ नाइस. और पीछे ऐसे इधर इधर पीछे घूम के देखो. नाइस.
Yeah, these walls are my favorite color.
This wall?
Yeah.
Shanaya, this is the wall color of your room.
Oh yeah.
इसमें different क्या है?
The bed and stuff.
The bed. Cute. Shanaya, this one is for you. Shanaya, this one is for you.
Oh, that's so cute.
It's so cute.
That's so cute.
You know it's for espresso. Cool design. कोई अपनी बॉटल छोड़ गया है. It's a cool design. That's a cool job. Alright, हम जो लेने आए हैं वो हम लेके चलते हैं. एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ जो कि पता नहीं ख़राब हो गई है कि खो गई है. I don't know. A frother. So we got this. It's a nice setup. Two more plates. This is a cool design. Some golden. आ जाओ. चले?
How'd you get the photo?
I did. चले अब.
Can I see it?
So we got these pillows. Let's see how these actually turn out. क्योंकि मेरे गर्दन में इतना दर्द हो जा रहा है, मेरी कमर में दर्द हो जा रहा है, मेरी शोल्डर्स में दर्द हो रहा है. So let's see. लिखा हुआ है medium density. This is hypo wash, 100% cotton. I don't know, 100% cotton क्यों लिखा हुआ है if this is down feather. Sustainable natural down and feather, whatever that means. Okay. See. Look the chili. Okay. See? Like that. Wow. This is good. इसके ऊपर जाएगा बाहा मिस्ट. Nice.